In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create Google Drive link to share files. First, open Google Drive in your browser and sign in if you're not already. You'll land on the main Drive page. On the left-hand sidebar, look for My Drive and click it to make sure you're viewing your personal files and folders. This is your starting point for creating a shareable space. Next, click the New button in the top left. From the menu that appears, choose New Folder. Give your folder a clear, descriptive name so people know what they're receiving. Something like project files or shared resources works well. Click Create and you'll see the new folder appear in your list. Double-click that folder to open it. Inside the folder, click New again and choose File Upload. This opens your computer's file picker. Navigate to the file you want to share, then double-click it to select. You'll see an upload indicator in the bottom right. Wait for it to finish so your file is fully available in the folder. Now let's create the shareable link. You can share the entire folder or just a single file. To share the folder, use the small drop-down or arrow near the folder name at the top and choose the Share option. Alternatively, if you want to share only the file you uploaded, hover over that file on the right side of the screen, click the three dots, and select Share there. Either path opens the sharing window. In the sharing window, find the section labeled General Access. Click it to open the access options. Change it from restricted to anyone with the link. This makes the folder or file accessible to anyone who has the link without needing them to request access. If you want to control what people can do, make sure the role is set to viewer for read-only access. Use commenter if you want feedback, or editor only if you truly trust recipients to make changes. Once you've set the access level, click Copy Link. You'll see a confirmation that the link has been copied to your clipboard. Click Done to close the sharing window. That's it. You've created a Google Drive link you can paste into an email, a chat, or a document. If you ever need to tighten access later, open Share again, switch General Access back to restricted, or remove the link entirely. And if you shared a folder, remember that anything you add to that folder will automatically be covered by the same link and settings, which is great for ongoing projects. Thanks for watching and happy sharing.